This thermal data reuse feature allows you to reuse extracted thermal data for a much faster simulation. Allow me now to illustrate this to you. This is an LTE power amplifier electrothermal simulation setup page. Click and open the electrothermal simulation controller and notice the new section at the top labeled Enable Reuse. This is new in ADS 2017. If we do not check the Enable Reuse box, then a full electrothermal simulation runs as it did in previous ADS releases. Here, let's try it. I click Simulate and a full electrothermal simulation takes place. Notice it took 85 seconds to complete. And here are the results. We get temperature profile plots and the 3D plots as well. Next, let us enable reuse and extract the electrothermal data file so we can reuse it later for a much faster simulation. This option also performs a full electrothermal simulation. But at the end of the simulation, it goes through computing and creating a new reuse data file for later use. And of course, this one-time data reuse file creation requires added time to create. Now, to reuse the data created, select the Reuse Extracted Electrothermal Data option and run the simulation. Notice it only takes 3 seconds to simulate with identical simulation results of a full electrothermal simulation. 3 seconds is much faster than the original 83-second simulation. Another available option is the reuse of existing temperatures. This option runs a non-iterative simulation that loads device temperatures once, and these are taken from the electrothermal T-valve file, and it keeps these temperatures constant during the simulation. This option runs very fast as well. Here it took 1.3 seconds to run.